The world produces over 2.24 billion tons of municipal solid waste each year. The waste generation is expected to grow to 3.88 billion tons by 2050 if no major changes are made. Only 30 to 20% of waste are recycled properly.
First, greenhouse gas emissions. Landfills release methane, a potent gas that accelerates climate change. Second, ocean pollution. About 11 million tons of plastics ends up in ocean eventually, creating garbage patches.
Our idea is to use a microbial fuel cell.
A microbial fuel cell is like a tiny battery that uses germs to make electricity. The bacteria eat food or waste like sugar or dirty water. As they eat, they give off electrons like tiny bits of energy. Then the fuel cell collects those electrons and turns them into electricity. The total materials that we use are mud and food waste, 2 containers, wires, aluminum mesh, rope, duct tape, and LED light. Firstly, we pour mud and waste food into the first container. Then pour salt water in the second container. Salt water helps balance the charge as electrons flow through the wire. Next, connect a salt bridge between both containers. This helps tiny charged particles move between containers. Then put aluminum mesh deep in both containers. This will act as an electrodes. After that, connect a wire with the electrodes. And lastly, connect the wire from electrodes to the LED light. To create a volt of energy, use 500 grams of mud. The temperature of the mud and salt water in the container must be warm at around 30 degrees Celsius. Add food waste into the first container. Banana peels are highly recommended to put because contain high in sugar and nutrients.